Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back once again. I am on Chimol, and this video I'll just be showing you how you can restore your account back in MiniPay. For those of you that have been complaining that I lost my passphrase, I lost my password, I lost my this and this, and then how do I even get back? I can't import it, I can't even locate it. I made a lot of videos explaining all of that. I made a lot of videos explaining how you can import your password, how to get it back. All right. I made a lot of videos. So right here is another video still explaining how to recover or retrieve or get back your account again. So take your time to watch these videos so that you don't do any mistake for any reason. All right. So now knowing that MiniPay once again is a Web3 wallet that is owned by Opera Mini, and it enables you to carry out seamless transactions. You can transact to anyone all over the world. And recently they added a Visa card that is still gonna be rolled in few weeks time to come that you can use to make your transactions globally. All right. So, but right here on MiniPay, you can currently buy any cryptocurrency or sell any cryptocurrency right in this using this wallet alone. All right, that is what I want you to know about that. So quickly, this is how to retrieve your password. Once again, for the last time, I'm not going to be doing this video again. So you have to open your password. If you have lost your password, delete the app entirely and install it. And after you've installed the app, what you have to do now is to use your email, because MiniPay said that you cannot access your password without your email, because the email that you use in registering is tied to your seed phrase is tied to your email. So therefore your seed phrase is backed up into your Google Mail. All right, and I prefer Google Mail for those of you that want to register. All right, so any email you are using, just know that your password is going to be backed into that email, so you can now use that same email to log into another phone and still regain back your password again. I hope you understand. So now when you deleted the app and installed it, you come over to this um, sign in here and click on it. As soon as you click on that sign in, it's going to bring out a list of emails for you to choose from. So you have to locate the particular email that you use in registering, right? Me, I use, so I'm going to select the email that I used in registering right here. As soon as you click on it, it's going to take you right to this page. So here is now, it's going to open up this page where you can see your saved data that you've saved. You see the actual time that you opened your wallet. So right here, I opened my wallet during 2025, and this is the phone number that I use in opening it. All right. So now to access recovery phase, go ahead and click on this restore now to restore back your account. All right. Then as soon as you click on that, you can now see it's going to take you to this section where you can see your wallet is secure. The same thing I told you is still what you're gonna be seeing right here. They said your wallet is secured by Google account, all right, and then only you hold the key to your wallet, all right, and you should never share your Google account to any or phone pin to anyone, because as soon as you share your Google account, that person is going to use that Google email that you use to access every information that you have. So you have to ensure that you secure your Google email, you secure them perfectly, and don't always log into unnecessary website, because logging into unnecessary website can involve phishing activity. Now what is phishing activity? Someone can easily use that your email and insert a password inside it that can track everything that you have, track all your information that you have in your phone. All right, so that's it. So go ahead and click on this and secure my wallet right here, and then it's going to take you to this section where you can now go ahead and click on get started. Just proceed with the get started, and then congratulations, it will take you right here in this particular place. Here, right here, you can see your wallet. You are ready now. You can enjoy all your MiniPay benefits. So guys, this is basically how you can import your MiniPay wallet. And if this video was very helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next videos, you will always be notified on time. See you in the next video, and bye for now. And in case you have any questions, don't forget to leave them at the comment section, and bye for now.